First day I saw was at the train station. She was half black and half Caucasian. First show I thought she was Asian, but I got a little closer and her origin was blatant. The best of both worlds, caramel complexion. Swear she smiled, I almost got an erection. Piercing green eyes that shine like emeralds. When she gave me the wink, could only think with my genitals. She tells me her name as soon as I approached her. It's Charmaine De La Rosa. I say, is that Spanish? She says, yeah, I say kosher. Hold to imagine what it'd be like to dose her. Train pulls up and we got on it together. Duration of the journey, got to know each other better. We exchanged numbers and agreed to meet afterwards. She blows me a kiss and with that she parted. Young girl, get out of my mind. My love for you is way out of line. Young girl, get out of my mind. My love for you is way out of line. 1 week at £20, phone credit later. I don't just wanna do, she's going out, I wanna date her. She's got a great personality and sense of humour. Next time we meet her, just can't come any sooner. We arranged to go out for a drink at a bar. She already there and I arrived and she looked the part. Slang I remember, drop dead gorgeous. Her eyes are tight and her breasts are bloody enormous. Hand in hand we walk over to the door. He's got a big shiny head, Joe, he looks like George Foreman. He lets her through and asks me for ID. I'm like, what the hell you talk about, man, I'm 19. Put my driver's license out and he lets me in. Then I tripped over a step, how embarrassing. Charmaine witnesses it all but she pretends not to see. I feel like a fool, she just thinks it's sweet. Young girl, get out of my mind. My love for you is way out of line. Young girl, get out of my mind. My love for you is way out of line. Now it goes a lot smoother than planned. Apart from the little hiccup at the start, it's all gone grand. When other guys try and chirp, shows them the hand. Turns down every dance saying I'm her man. We get a cab back to my place where we get it on. I take off my shirt, she strips down to the thong. I'm marveling at her body, voluptuous curves. She's a real woman, no doubt about her. Confidence is sky high. She's the one who's got me on my back saying, baby, this is your night. I'm like, alright, it's worth a go, I suppose. So we switch roles and she takes full control. Start slow, grinding me softly. Whilst kissing, yeah, she's doing me properly. It's when I start thinking, man, this girl's gotta be from out this world or something, because she's shocking me. Never felt like this before, this was more than sex. Sex is something that you had with Sketsum, and the next day that you'd regret with a girl you wish you'd never met. Nuh-uh, no way, man, had to be love. I couldn't believe I was saying it, but that's what it was. Like a leaf in the autumn, I have fallen. After that, nothing else seemed important. Young girl, get out of my mind. My love for you is way out of line. Young girl, get out of my mind. My love for you is way out of line. Now it's time to hear my predicament, my catch-22. I love this girl but now I have to cut her loose. I was talking to one of my boys the very next day and I told him all about me and Charmaine. He looks at me in a very strange way, then asked me if De La Rosa is a surname. If she's mixed race and her eyes are green, I say yeah. He replies, blood, that girl's 14.